Question: ETL pipeline is refreshing very large table in Snowflake platform daily. So, which type of table is recommended? Can be temporary, can be transient, or can be permanent. So, we need to. One would be a most recommended option. Then there will be a follow-up question. Why means what is a background to choose whether it's a temporary table or transient table or permanent table. So this is a most frequent question in interviews. So answer is this one, right? Because it's ETL pipeline refreshing that to very large table through daily job. So transient table is recommended in this scenario. Answer for follow-up questions. Why? Because transient table keeps cost low in this scenario because it's a very large table, stores transitory data, that is ETL data. It's daily refresh, right? Because of cost advantage, we are recommended to create transient table. Even we can create permanent table, but if we create transient table for ETL pipelines on daily refresh case scenario, transient table would have cost advantage. Okay, here are some points. What is the difference between transient table and permanent? Persistence until explicitly dropped, both transient and permanent. There is another table called temporary table, that is session level only. Then time travel retention. Transient it's only 0 to 1 day, permanent 0 to 90 days, where enterprise and higher level versions. Failsafe, there is no failsafe for transient table. Permanent, it's 7 days. Data recovery, after 1 day, the data is not recoverable, but whereas data is recoverable for permanent table. It's 90 days time travel plus 7 days failsafe. Alright. Temporary table, exactly same thing like transient table only. Only the difference is persistence. So this is, we are creating transient table where syntax is this one, transient table. Okay, right. Then we create permanent table. Syntax is this one, table, right? So I created temporary table, I created permanent table. Then I created transient table and I created permanent table. Then third would be create temporary table. All right, so we have created temporary table as well. So we have created three tables. One is transient table and the permanent table and temporary table. So I explained already the differences. So if you want to see what tables we have created, so this is syntax, so we can check. Okay, so these are the three tables I created. One is permanent, these are my table names: permanent, temporary, transient. So table types, one is permanent, the other table is temporary, right? Whatever we created, temporary customer. Then other one is transient, right? That's all.